half a ping pong ball. Just kind of following the seam. It's a little big. I don't know what the acoustic properties of silicone is. I'm afraid the silicone will be stickier than the grip that I would actually be able to get on this slippery ping pong ball. And there's no way to do this without getting it all over you. There's no way to hold it. Come on now. I did this one earlier, and I figured I'd make a YouTube video because I mean, I found these speakers at the Goodwill. KLH. I mean, they might be pretty decent. I don't know. I think I paid probably 50 cents for them. But just the challenge of fixing stuff is more than I can endure. One time I had it was just a dog leash, the kind that you stake out, about 25 feet long, and the little thing that you pull back to open up the clasp, that little pin broke off. So I took and drilled a little bitty hole in that bar and tapped it and ran a little screw in it. I took it back out and I put a little piece of plastic tubing, I think from the inside of an ink pen. Cut it in length, put it over that screw so it wouldn't hurt your finger so bad, and put some JB weld on it and screwed it back in there. Took me 2 hours. So I don't know if I'm gonna leave those white. I probably should have painted them first if I was going to. I don't think it's really that crucial. And I'll just let that sit up. So stay tuned. Probably not in this video. In order to pause something and then, pause something for 2 hours, my phone would automatically shut off. And to be honest with you, I got a video editing app, but I don't know how to combine two different sections of video footage. So when I hook these things up to a power source, I'll just make a new video. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you tune in for the next one. This was kind of a fun project, and I really enjoyed it. It was kind of a simple fix, and we'll just see if it works. Allow it to fire it up, and as soon as that thing starts vibrating, that might just fall out. But I don't know. That silicone's pretty sticky stuff. Where'd my tube go? I've had this for a year, so I had to dig out about a ½ inch of that gunk before I could get it to squeeze out. So, all right, enough rambling. I'll talk to you in the near future.